Hi and welcome. In today's video I'll be showing you how to change video quality on screen recorder in Samsung Galaxy A52. So let's get started. If you don't know what screen recorder is, it's a simple application built into Android that allows us to simply record our screens. So in the first step we just have to open settings, then look for advanced features, choose screenshots and screen recorder, go down, and as you can see there's a video quality. You can choose between 1080p, 720p and 480p. Let's stick with 1080p of course, because it's the highest possible quality here. And that's all. Thank you so much for watching. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this. Goodbye.